Have you ever wondered how to go viral on TikTok? It's a phenomenon that has taken the world by storm. Imagine your content reaching millions, the massive influence you could wield, the opportunities that would open up for you. Going viral on TikTok is not just about fame. It's about creating an impact, making a difference. It's a unique and powerful platform that can turn the ordinary into extraordinary overnight. Now let's delve into the process of going viral on TikTok. The first step to going viral lies in understanding the TikTok algorithm. It's like a secret recipe, a set of rules that determines the reach of your videos. And the key ingredients? Engagement metrics. These include likes, shares, comments, and watch time. The algorithm pays close attention to these, using them as indicators to gauge the appeal of your content. If your video gets a high number of likes, shares, and comments in a short time, the algorithm takes note. It interprets this as a sign that your content is engaging and entertaining, and it pushes your video to more users. Watch time is equally crucial. If viewers watch your video from start to finish, the algorithm interprets this as a sign of quality content, boosting your reach even further. Mastering the algorithm is pivotal, but it's only the first step. Let's move on to content creation. Now comes the fun part, creating content that resonates. This is where your creativity comes into full play. It's not just about quality, it's about engagement. You see, TikTok isn't just a platform, it's a community, and communities thrive on interaction. Don't be afraid to jump on trends, participate in challenges, and use hashtags. They are your ticket to visibility. But remember, while trends get you in the game, it's your unique spin that scores the points. Your content should reflect your personality. Be authentic, be bold, be you. That's what people connect with, that's what they share. Your individuality is your greatest asset. Use it. And always remember, your content doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. Because in a world where everyone is trying to fit in, standing out is a breath of fresh air. Great content is the heart of any viral video. But to ensure it gets seen, we need to optimize for visibility. Optimizing for visibility is all about timing and engagement. It's akin to throwing a party. You wouldn't want to host it when everyone's asleep, would you? Timing is crucial. Understand when your audience is most active and post during those peak hours. The TikTok algorithm tends to favor posts that gain immediate traction. Now imagine your party is in full swing. You wouldn't just stand in a corner, right? Engagement is your dance floor. Reply to comments, share posts, and engage with your followers. This interaction builds a community, a loyal fan base, and the algorithm loves it. Furthermore, sprinkle in some relevant hashtags. Think of them as the party's location pin. These tags make your content discoverable, helping you reach a larger audience. Optimizing for visibility may help your video gain traction, but there's one final piece to the virality puzzle. The final key to going viral on TikTok? Consistency and persistence. That's right. Sometimes the secret sauce isn't just about understanding the algorithm or creating the most engaging content. It's about showing up again and again. Think of it this way, you're building a house, brick by brick. Each video you post is a brick. It might not seem like much on its own, but over time, you're building something substantial, something that can't be ignored. Consistency in posting is vital because it keeps you in your audience's minds and, more importantly, in their feeds. The TikTok algorithm rewards regular content creators. The more you post, the better your chances of being seen and shared. But what if you're not going viral? Should you stop? Absolutely not. Persistence is equally crucial. It's about staying in the game, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Going viral is often a numbers game. The more content you put out there, the higher your chances of hitting that viral jackpot. It's also about building an audience who is engaged, who wants to see what you'll do next. This kind of loyal following doesn't happen overnight. It's built over time. With each video you share, each comment you respond to, each trend you jump on. Remember, virality isn't an exact science. It takes a mix of understanding the algorithm, creating engaging content, optimizing for visibility, and staying consistent. So start creating and keep pushing your boundaries. You never know which video might take you to the stars.